These are the Stanley FatMax Pro Aviation tin snip. Now, you talk to most tradesmen and they'll all say everyone needs a snip, and these really are the finest ones I think you can get on the market. There's some really good ones out there. Stanley have been doing tin snips for a number of years now, and they've got a comprehensive range. This is the absolute premium pinnacle product within their range. So we're going to go through some of the features and benefits here of the snip. Straight away, I'm going to talk about the handle. It says FatMax, so you know that it's quality straight away. You've got a bi-material grip handle here. Okay, so you're not going to slip. You're not going to slip when it's in use. You've got an offset ridges there, and if you turn them over, that's because you put that one between your two fingers and your thumb and the top of your handies there. So if you're really sort of cutting through material, you're not going to slip forward. So there's a safety feature there. Now, another thing that I keep setting off here is the lock-in release. It's an automatic lock release. It's all locked nice and securely. There's the release catch there. But with these ones, with Stanley, look, when you're ready to go, you're going to be ready to go. So a quick squeeze releases it automatically and opens the spring-loaded jaws up, and they're spring-loaded. So once you've done your cut, it springs back open so you can cut smoothly and efficiently every single time. And to close it up, you literally just put them together there, and that's locked. That's nice and easy. As you can see, riveted all the way through there. Super quality all the way through. It exudes quality, this product. And then we come to the business end, and you can see the nice gold coloured head here. Well, it's not just for effect. This is a titanium coating. And what that does, it gives you extra benefits. It reduces friction, so you're not going to clog in any materials that you're cutting. You know, you're going to be cutting sheet materials, sheet steel, plates, all that type of thing. Sometimes it can clog up. This reduces the clogging, so you've got nice, smooth cutting every time. And the other thing is it's rust resistant, so it resists rust. If you're working in damp environments or they're staying in a damp toolbox or something, they're not going to rust up. Now, let's just have a look at the cutting blades as well. I don't know if you can come in nice and close on these. You've actually got a little measuring scale there up to 25 mil. If you want to cut to a specific depth, you can just close your jaws up till it gets on 25 there on the scale. So if you just want to snip in an accurate depth on materials, you just butt your material up to the measurement up to 25 mil there and snip, and you can do accurate snips all the way along. Also, you may be able to just pick up, but you've got very, very small serrations along there on both jaws. Now what that does is it means it grips the material as you're cutting it. A lot of the cheaper tin snips have a smooth cutting edge, and then as you're cutting, the force pressure, the shear force tends to push the blades back towards you, and you end up with a much less efficient cut. So these are thoroughly well thought out, thoroughly researched, developed and engineered to the very, very finest tolerances, and you can see the thickness, you can see the way that's all been finely machined, the thickness and depth of the cutting blades there, because obviously if you're cutting thicker materials you need the force, you don't want blades distorting or anything. Absolutely superb. So we've got something, type of thing a builder would use. These are used by so many different trades, but you've got a little jiffy hanger here. It's quite a thick plate, and we're just gonna, you might need to nip an end off. It's made absolutely light work of that. Just snip and away you go. Absolutely fine. In fact, actually what I'm going to do, because I haven't done it, I'm going to put my goggles on just in case I take a little bit. It's always safety first, but literally nice and easy. And you can hear it cutting through. And then what I'll do is I'll do a couple of little snips here. So if I want to go to 25 mil or 20 mil, you can see I'm going to on the 20 mil line now. I don't know if you can pick that up. I'm on 20 mil there, and then I'll close the blade down so I know that if I want to do a cut depth of 20 mil, that's 20 mil. And if I want to do another one at 20 mil, I'll do the same again. And there you go. Consistency of cut. So there you have it. If you need a pair of snips, like anything, it's always get the best you can. Well, you probably can't get a better pair of snips than this. They cut straight, they cut left, they cut right. They've got nice biomaterial grips, top quality braid, precision engineered, quality you'd expect from FatMax, Stanley FatMax. This is the Stanley FatMax Pro Aviation tin snip.